Hi, I'm Chris Siegel, Vice President of Product Development for Lamps and Light Sources at Satco Products. Today we're going to talk about an HID replacement lamp that is new to the market. It's one of the most functional HID replacement lamps on the market today. We call it the Hi-Pro 360. So with this technology, you have the ability to install this product as a high bay or a low bay replacement with the beam angle going straight down. You also have the ability to invert the light panels to where it can be a post-top type fixture, and you have 100% of the light going down, dark sky. You also have the ability to adjust the panels in any direction you want, in any fixture you want. The panels can also be adjusted to accommodate wall pack fixtures. It also has an adjustable socket to ensure that once you get it in the spot, you can adjust the beam to wherever you need it. In addition to multiple beam angles, this product has the ability to have accessories. This particular accessory is a Wi-Fi enabled device, so you can download an app and use multiple products from the same device, turning them on, turning them off, and setting them. In addition to the Wi-Fi app, we also have sensors that include motion sensor, photocells, and radio frequency. For more information on this and other exciting products, go to satco.com.